Shot. Hit him with the 22.
Why are you shooting a bird?
I think I got him. Oh my gosh. I think he got him. I said 22, dude. You look at 410 for a small bird like that. Wow. That. We can't find the bird. First kill of today. Some bird that Tanner had to shoot with a 410. Thank you, tractor. We're in a new spot.
Whose land is that?
This is what hunting. We should go walk the field. We should. This is what hunting with us is like. No squirrels, no nothing. There's nothing in here. What is that right there? There's nothing. False alarm. We're going?
He's gonna go look and see if there's a spot around the corner.
Okay.
This used to be drier.
Oh. Is there anywhere we could cross on this?
Yeah. I know there's one farther around, but
Yeah, this is nowhere near frozen enough for us to walk on.
that's the deer tracks though.
Yeah. Parkour. What?
There's a bird inside the wall.
Did you shoot it? Oh, you should.
Your boots are not waterproof,
I know. I think we're
Are we gonna have to? Oh, we can walk up the wall right there.
Yeah. Let's jump across.
Yeah. We can just-
Come on.
That'd be a little far. I'll go here. I'll go up this. Feeling the edge. Don't fall into the frigid water. And you're on camera.
Right here.
Are you trying to get up?
Yeah.
I can get up really easy right here. Instead of trying to risk going up that steep hill.
I'm holding 2 guns. I don't know if I can.
Yeah, make sure your foot's sure before you. Good. Remember, the guns are worth less than you, so if you're gonna fall, chuck the guns if you have to. If you can grab something. Chasing a squirrel. I mean, chasing a rabbit, not a squirrel. Yeah, you go on that side.
What?
You're only shooting that way.
Yeah, I don't. I have a feeling he's under that log. Oh, I see him. Tanner. I think. No, I don't. No, that's not him. There was a little fur ball. He's probably right in there somewhere. Here, I'm gonna chuck something in there. Here, get ready.
That works.
That works so well. Where are you, Wabbit?
Safety on, come back to check.
They're masters of disguise.
I thought
Shooting mushrooms. This little stuff came out of it. Sweet. Weirdness. I'm gonna do it again. All the way in.
Miss. Double.
We didn't get anything yet.
Nope. I sure got that little bird.
The bird. Didn't get anything cool though.
I shot it with the 410.
Yeah. After I shot with an air gun.
410s are better.
I know. Next time I'm bringing a 16 gauge.
I'm gonna bring a 37.5 gauge.
Hello, cows. We're really close to the cows. See? My buddies, cows. And that guy, he's not really my buddy, but he's with the cows.
I like cows.
We should go with the cows. Cows are fun to watch. Now doing this awesome boss thing called driving a gator.
Yeah, it's pretty lit. The suicide wheel.
Pretty lit. It's a suicide vehicle.
No,
We are
it's a
now.
suicide wheel.
No, it's a suicide vehicle.
This is called a suicide wheel?
I know. We're now the Suicide Squad. This is technically a suicide thing. Especially with that kid driving. Let's go look at some cows.
Should have brought the air pistol.
Why? I could have been like, should we go back and get it? We have plenty of time.
It's fine.
We should go get it. So anyway, the hunt that we did wasn't the most
It was a scenery hunt.
Yeah, it was a scenery hunt. It wasn't the most successful of hunts, but it was a good demonstration of what a lot of hunts are like. It was
And
a
that
good
you
time
can't
though.
always get
It was a good time because we walked around in the forest and we had a good time, but it doesn't mean we got anything. I mean, you know how we had to get anything, I guess, but so now we're just kind of jacking around on the gator. I should have brought an air pistol because now we're gonna see like all the animals we've not seen today. But you know, what can you do? Oh, I know what you can do. You can drive back and get it, but we're too lazy, so yeah. We're gonna see some cows after this short message. I see a couple cows. See a couple cows? How's that for a couple cows? Ah, it's pretty bumpy. Oh, it's pretty bumpy.
I really need to put this hood up.
I'll put it up for you, buddy. You want the hood up?
Too far. Too far. Just go.
Turns out butt crunchers work with cows also. There you go. The cows like the butt grunter. Hello, cows. You're really close. Cheese! Then there's Tanner driving around. Here is the turkey hunting shed. Or actually, we can hunt anything in this shed, I guess, but the hunting shed. Welcome to the shed. Come on, Tanner, open it.
I can't. I don't know how.
It smells funky in here. Probably because of that thing.
Yeah, let's get out.
Wait.
The last one on this side.
I see it, fool. Baby. But that's the door. Okay, so after a whole day of seeing nothing, we're driving the gator, and this spike buck just jumps up and just scares the poop out of us. And I'm thinking, why didn't I bring my bow, and why aren't we being sneaky? Because this is a really good spot for the deer to bed. Look at that. Look at that. So just boom, boom, die. Gosh, I'm so mad. Mad.
Hey, try to get this down.